Welcome back, everyone. My name is Allie and I'm a dietitian with Blue Cross of Idaho. Today we are going to be making a summertime kind of farmer's market chili, something that's gonna get a lot of veggies in. And this was requested by Katie. So remember at the end to comment with what you want to see on the show. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we are going to start with just a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of our hot pan. And we just want to make sure that the olive oil is hot, which it looks like it is, and we're moving it around to make sure that the whole bottom of the pan is covered. And we are going to start with some ground turkey. So turkey is a leaner meat, and it's gonna add a lot of nice flavor to the bottom of our chili. We'll just get this cooked up here. All right, so from here we can see that we have a little bit of the juices from the turkey in the bottom of the pan, and we're gonna keep those in here because they're gonna add a lot of flavor. So from here, we're gonna throw in some farm fresh tomatoes with all the juice and everything. You could totally use a can if you wanted. I would also recommend keeping the juice in at that point. And we are going to throw in some white onion. And a little bit of bell pepper as well. Remember, we're trying to use as bright of a color as we can. So any color works, but I just chose yellow. There's no rhyme or reason. All right. So we're gonna get everything nice and incorporated there. I'm also going to throw in a little bit of squash. Green squash, you could totally use yellow. I have a can of low sodium pinto beans with the liquid as well. And then some black beans and some corn that we'll mix in. All right. And everybody likes a little bit of spice in their chili, so I'm gonna throw in a jalapeno. Any pepper that you would like to use would work as well, depending on your level of spice. All right, looking good. So one of the last things that we are going to season with is a little bit of garlic. We'll throw about a tablespoon in there. And I have a seasoning blend with salt, pepper, ground mustard, paprika, and cayenne chili powder. And we'll mix all of this together, and we will let this simmer for about a half an hour. And we will be ready to go. All right, and there we have it. Katie, thank you so much for your request. This was a summertime kind of farmer's market chili, tons of extra vegetables. We could do it in a crock pot if we needed, do it on the stove just like I showed you. Either way, let us know what you want to see on the show by commenting below. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. We will see you next time.